Here's the cold, hard truth. The financial advice your parents swore by? Save, get a job, buy a house, stick with one company? It's a total bust in 2025. That worked when mixtapes and flip phones were hot. But today, it's dragging you down. I'm breaking down why their playbook is obsolete and giving you 10 new rules to build serious wealth fast. Smash that subscribe button, grab a coffee, and let's rewrite your financial future. Think the American dream is still alive? It's on life support. Back in 1980, your parents could snag a house for $47,000, about 2x their $21,000 income. College tuition? A summer job covered it. Jobs came with pensions, full benefits, and a pat on the back for loyalty. Show a retro 80s neighborhood photo. Fast forward to 2025. Homes cost 8 to 10x your income. Student debts balloon to $1.7 trillion, and pensions are as rare as a Blockbuster store. The old economy's toast, but you've got new ways to win. Clip this. The American dream's changed. Adapt or get left behind. Comment, dream, for my top 2025 hacks. Waiting for a pension? You're dreaming. Your parents worked 30 years and got a pension. Free money for life. In 2025, only 15% of private sector jobs offer them, mostly government gigs. You're handed a 401k and told, good luck, figure it out. Sounds scary, but it's your chance to take control. Start with $10 on Betterment or M1 Finance, robo-advisors that do the heavy lifting. I started with $50 a month. Now my portfolio's growing while I sleep. Clip this. Invest early, even small. Time's your best friend. Drop 401k in the comments if you're starting today. Buying a house, cash wealth? Not in 2025. Home ownership was your parents' golden ticket. Buy a house, watch it grow, retire happy. But today, median home price is $412,000. Interest rates are a roller coaster, and maintenance eats your savings. Renting's not throwing money away. It's buying flexibility. Rent cheap, invest the difference in ETFs on Webull. I rented for years and built a 6-figure portfolio instead of being house poor. Clip this. Rent smart, invest hard, win big. Want my home buying checklist? Comment house below. Loyal to your job? You're losing $50,000. Loyalty used to mean steady raises and corner offices. Now, staying at one job too long can cost you tens of thousands. Job hoppers earn 20% more by switching every 2 to 3 years. Build skills like AI, coding, or video editing, portable and future-proof. Network on LinkedIn like it's your job. I landed a 30% raise by jumping ship last year. Clip this. Job hop for bigger paychecks. Want my networking playbook? Smash that like button and comment loyalty. College Schalker success? Not anymore. A degree was your parents' one-way ticket to a cushy career. Now, tuition's up 1,200% since 1980, and 40% of grads are stuck in jobs that don't need a degree. College can still pay off. Think computer science or nursing, not medieval poetry. Or skip it. Coding boot camps or trade schools can land you 80K gigs with zero debt. I know a plumber making 6 figures, no degree needed. Clip this. College is optional. Choose smart or skip it. Comment, college, for my high ROI major list. Not investing? You're throwing away millions. Your parents paid brokers big bucks to invest. You? Start with $1 on Robinhood or Acorns. Compounding is magic. $100 a month at 25 becomes $400,000 by 65 at 8% returns. Diversify with index funds or thematic ETFs like clean energy on Fidelity. I started with $200. Now my portfolio's my safety net. Pro tip. Automate your investments to stay consistent. Clip this. Invest small, win big. Start now. Comment, invest, for my top app picks. One job in 2025? That's a trap. Relying on one paycheck is like betting your life on a coin flip. Layoffs, automation, AI, risks are everywhere. Build side hustles. Freelance on Fiverr, sell templates on Etsy, or stake crypto on Binance. My YouTube channel started as a side gig. Now it's my main income. Aim for 2 to 3 income streams. A friend makes $2K a month selling Notion templates, 0 startup cost. Clip this. Multiple streams, unbreakable security. Comment side hustle for my top ideas. Buying a house too early, you're trapped. Homeownership's awesome, but timing matters. Stay 7+ years and have a 20% down payment, or you're stuck. Renting lets you chase remote jobs or move to cheaper cities. Invest the savings in index funds or REITs on Vanguard. I rented in a cheap apartment and funneled $500 a month into investments. Best decision ever. Clip this. Renting's not losing, it's winning. Comment rent for my investing starter kit. Stuck in one career? You're capping your potential. Companies don't reward loyalty anymore. Industries flip overnight, retail to e-commerce, office to remote. Learn AI tools like Midjourney for freelancing, or take Coursera's Python course. JobHop for 15 to 20% raises. I switched from marketing to content creation. Doubled my income in 2 years. Stay nimble, stay wealthy. Clip this. Flexibility is your superpower. Comment flex for my skill-building resources. Splurging every raise? You're sabotaging your future. A raise feels like a green light to buy a Tesla or book a Bali trip. Social media's worse. Everyone's flexing yachts and designer bags. Your parents compared to neighbors. You're up against a global TikTok reel. Save 50% of every raise and invest it. I banked half my last bonus and bought index funds. Now it's growing 24/7. Clip this. Beat lifestyle creep, retire early. Comment save if you're cutting back. Ignoring taxes? You're leaking money. Your parents didn't stress taxes. Their brackets were simpler. In 2025, tax strategy is a game changer. Max out a Roth IRA. $7,000 a year grows tax-free. Use apps like TurboTax to find deductions, like home office write-offs. I saved $3,000 last year by tracking freelance expenses. Work with a CPA if you're self-employed. Clip this. Smart taxes suckers more wealth. Comment tax for my deduction checklist. Scared of crypto? You're missing out. Crypto's not just for tech bros. It's a 2025 wealth tool, if you're smart. Stick to Bitcoin or Ethereum on Coinbase, not meme coins. Stake for 5 to 10% passive income, or hold long-term. I started with $100 in ETH. It's up 50% in a year. Research first, never YOLO your rent money. Clip this. Crypto done right builds wealth. Comment crypto for my beginner's guide. Your parents weren't clueless. They just played a different game. They couldn't predict 400K homes, 100K degrees, or AI taking jobs. But you? You've got Robinhood, Fiverr, and knowledge at your fingertips. The stakes are higher, but so are the wins. This playbook's your ticket to financial freedom. Let's get real. Your parents meant well. Their world was one job, one house, one income. Boom, you're set. But 2025? Healthcare costs $12,000 a year for a family. Job security's a myth. Show a healthcare cost chart. The old rules are broken, but you've got tools they never dreamed of. Apps, side hustles, crypto. The game's tougher, but the rewards, massive. Stick with me for the new playbook. Want my free 2025 Wealth Blueprint? Link in the description. Let's dive in. If this blew your mind, smash that like button and subscribe for more 2025 money hacks. Want my free 2025 Wealth Blueprint? Link in the description. Grab it now. Tell me in the comments, which old school advice are you ditching, and what's your 2025 money move? Let's talk. See you in the next one.